It's my first day off, and your girl is looking nice and hot, nice and cute. Such a cute little jumpsuit from Amazon. No panties needed. At least not for me. I like to let my body breathe. Yeah, I'm feeling so free, so beautiful, and just cannot wait to just explore and connect with Mother Gaia on my own today. I'm eating some breakfast, some nice cassava bread made by the lady who runs it here, and some nice fresh jam. And I'm also going to be reading some of my book. This book is so good, so good. We are in the new earth. That's what this big transformation is that's going on with this total solar eclipse. And then have some nice fresh tea, some spearmint, bay leaf, and then some shroomy. Where's the shroomy at? Where's the shroomy at? Okay, the shroomy hiding over there in the corner, but yeah, we got to connect deeply today. Taking you guys along with me, and I will talk to you later. Mwah. Yo, it's waterproof, it's shockproof, blessed. Cutting spinach for me to eat, straight from the natural spinach tree, the leaves. So cool. Wow. The forest will give us all we need. Hi. I haven't done too much vlogging today on this camera. I've been using my camcorder, but I also just been more living in the moment. I'm about to get in this water again though, but I'm gonna take you guys with me and let Mother Water just cleanse me. My stomach is recovering from eating raw chickpeas, you guys. I thought that I could let them sit and then cook them, but no, they have to be pressure cooked, and I didn't know that, and my fucking stomach has been on shambles since. So pray for your girl. But we finna get in this water and just let it cleanse us. It's so cold, but it feels good, and then you just come and sit in the sun, and it's like mother and water sun. Mother and water sun. Mother water and father sun just doing its thing, just doing everything it needs to. So re-energizing. got peas. Call me crazy, but I have really good balance, so, and then I'm gonna fall in the water. That's a given, you know. I think I've been a little scared of falling in the water because it's so cold, but fast, right? Sometimes fast. Okay. Woo! Okay. And that was a good try. 2-3 steps. Let's do it again. Guys, this is today's hiking fit. My glasses. The day is coming to an end, but still want to show off my fitting. So cute. Love this jumpsuit from Amazon. And of course, love my hat. Mwah.